On this video, we're going to answer this question: why is my scheduled post not showing up on my Facebook and Instagram feed? So that will be our today's discussion. If you're ready, let's begin. So the first thing is you need to go to your Go High Level account. Let's go to the marketing section. And once you're here in marketing section, go to the settings, which is in the right upper corner. On the setting, I want you to check the validity. There is a validity dates here. So like for example, for this video, it's a social media experts. It's connected, but it says validity, it says refresh. So just in case if it's not valid, already expired, then whatever schedule that you set up in the Go High Level Social Planner will not show or go through to your social media platform. So one thing, best practice that you need to do is to check this validity. Okay, you need to go to the settings, check the validity. How many days remaining for your social media? For example, for this Facebook account, it says one funnel valid until 59 days. If it is like expired, you just need to click refresh, and that's super easy as well. Now I'll show you how to do this. So I have a very good example here. Social media expert YouTube is already expired. Just click refresh, and then it will ask you to sign in with your account. So just click sign in, continue, continue, and that's it. It's still connected and it says verified. So you will see here 29 days. So speaking of validity, there is different validity from different platform. For Facebook, it's 59 days. For TikTok, it's 1 year. For LinkedIn, 59 days. And for YouTube is 29 days. And that's my answer to this question. Why is my scheduled post not showing up on the Facebook and Instagram feed? Because the social media platform is already expired in your Go High Level account. Now, we can avoid this. We can avoid this by notifying you. So I'm going to show you how the Go High Level able to notify you before the platform or social media platform expire to your Go High Level account. So to do this, simply go to your marketing section, go to the social planner, and go to the settings. Notification, and once you're here, there will be two options that I want you to focus on. The first one is the account expired. Other one is the account pre-expiry. So what we want to do is we will set up the Go High Level to notify us if the account is expired. So we're going to send an email notification for the social media account with an expired token. So this one is already expired. So what we're going to do is click on, just check this one, and then I want you to click edit, select the user. So if you have several users here, you just select the user for you. And how often should the user be reminded? Once in a day. Maybe once in 2 days, right? Once in 3 days. So we're going to create this once in 1 day, and you will have a default template. Just click save this one. So what will happen now is we allow the Go High Level to notify us if the account is already expired. Now, what will happen if we want to be notified before the token or the social media platform is expired? So pre-expiry. So we just want to click this one, just check this one, and select the user or the user, and then once in a day, we will notify once a day, and we will have a default template. Just click save. So here you go. This user will be notified if your account is pre-expired, and this user will be notified if the account is already expired. So there will be toll notification for you. This is one way to avoid or prevent your token or your Facebook account be expired to your Go High Level account. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. But before we end this, I invite you to join our community, One Funnel Network, wherein we have a daily videos that we love to share for you. So join us. Just simply type onefunnel.net. That's it for today. Thank you very much, and signing out.